Welcome to Engine Explorer. Today, we're stepping into the world of pure luxury on wheels with the 2025 Prevost Liberty Luxury Motorhome. This isn't just a motorhome. It's a 5-star hotel that moves wherever you go. Right from the outside, the 2025 Liberty stands out with its sleek aerodynamic design. The chrome accents, LED lighting, and high-gloss finish give it an executive look. And the massive slide-outs extend effortlessly, increasing the living space when parked. Under the hood, it's powered by a Volvo D13 engine, delivering around 500 horsepower, ensuring smooth cruising, whether you're gliding down the highway or tackling mountain roads. Step inside, and you're immediately surrounded by unmatched craftsmanship. The interior feels like a luxury condo. Italian leather seating, custom wood cabinetry, and polished marble floors. The lighting system adjusts to your mood, and the motorized blinds offer privacy with just a tap. The lounge area features a smart 65-inch OLED TV, surround sound, and a custom sofa that transforms into a sleeper. The kitchen is a full gourmet setup: quartz countertops, induction cooktops, a full-size refrigerator, and even a dishwasher. It's designed for serious cooking, not just RV snacks. Moving toward the rear, you'll find the spacious master bedroom, with a king-size bed, smart climate control, and full wardrobe space. The bathroom is spa-like, with a rainfall shower, heated floors, and a smart mirror with built-in display. Technology is at the core of the Liberty. With a centralized touchscreen control system, you can manage everything, from lighting to temperature to security. There's even satellite internet and solar panels on the roof for off-grid luxury. And of course, the ride comfort is second to none. With Prevost's advanced suspension system, the Liberty glides over the road, making long trips feel effortless. Safety features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and 360-degree cameras add peace of mind. The 2025 Prevost Liberty isn't just a motorhome, it's a lifestyle statement. For those who demand the highest level of comfort, performance, and technology on the road, this is as good as it gets. Thanks for watching Engine Explorer.